Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In this one we will be talking about how to request and recall email approval in HubSpot. Now before we get started, you can get a 14-day free trial on HubSpot with our link in the description of this video. So that could be really beneficial for you. Now if we talk about our recalling an email approval, if you need to fully restart approval process, you can recall an approval and request approval again after you made your changes. So to recall an approval in your HubSpot account, you're going to be navigating to marketing section and then to email. Now you are going to be hovering over to the email you want to recall approval for, then click on edit, and in the top right you're going to be clicking on approvals, then select recall approval. In the dialog box, enter a message to provide context on why you're recalling approval. This message will recall in notification to all the original approvers. Then recall approval, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Now if you want to review approvals on the email index page, if you navigate to the marketing and email index page, you can review the approval status of your emails under the approval status column. If the column isn't present on the page, you can click manage columns and then select approval status checkbox to add it to the index page columns. So yeah, now that is pretty much it for this video. Make sure to check out the link in the description of this video to get a 14-day free trial on HubSpot. And yeah, thank you so much for watching and see you around in the next couple of tutorials. Until then, take care and goodbye.